Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, this crypto dad. In today's video, I'll be showing us how to claim $8 worth of BUSD from the Binance for investment giveaway. So I'll be showing us how to claim 8 BUSD. So for you to get access to this link, you just need to come out to your Binance app. When you come out to your Binance app, you'll be seeing some displays here. You just need to scroll. When you scroll, you'll be seeing the draw investment giveaway. So you just need to click on this. I'll just click on that. After the platform has already loaded, you'll be seeing the end time. We have 27 days left for the activities to end. So we have 27 days left and 14 hours. For you to join this giveaway, you just need to click on this join promotion. But when we come over here, you'll be seeing the activities rules. You can just go over this to get to know on how the activities will be working. So you can get up to 8 BUSD voucher, and this particular reward will be going for the first 10,000 users. The first 10,000 users to subscribe to any dual investment product will qualify for the giveaway. Eligible users can stand a chance to receive up to 8 BUSD voucher. So when we come over here, we'll be seeing the reward structure. We see the new dual investment users. You see the existing dual investment users, and you'll be seeing the number of weeks here. For the first week, new dual investment users will get 2 BUSD. For the second week, 4 BUSD, 3 weeks 6 BUSD, and 4 weeks that is 8 BUSD. And we'll also be seeing for the existing dual investment users. So for you to complete the new dual investment subscription, so the subscription will be taking about 4 weeks. So the users need to utilize the new auto compound features to automatically renew their dual investment subscription on the settlement date. So you can just go over this to get to know how to participate. So how to participate, we'll be seeing how to participate here. To participate, the first step is for you to join the promotion. After you've joined the promotion, you need to subscribe to any dual investment product during the promotion period. For the step 3, you need to complete the new dual investment subscription for more weeks during the promotion period to qualify for an higher voucher amount. You'll be seeing a video preview here. You can also go over this. So you need to enter the amount. You need to turn on the advanced plan. So I'll just be taking us through how to get started with dual investments. You have to go to the dual investment page, choose to enable or disable the beginner mode, select the cryptocurrency you would like to buy or sell, choose whether you want to buy low or sell high. You select your desired price and also your desired date. So you need to input your subscription amount. So you choose to enable or disable the dual investment auto compound features with the toggle button. So either select the basic plan or the advanced auto compound plan. So I'll just be going back. I'll be clicking on this join promotion. I'll just click on join promotion. So you have to be fast in joining this promotion. So my registration was successful. After the page is already loaded, you have to click on this I understand. The next thing you have to do is you have to choose an asset. You have to choose an asset. Either choose BTC, ETH, BNB, Solana, Matic, and you also choose ADA.BCH, AVEX, FTM. You'll be seeing the Algo Atom near. So you just need to select the token you want to choose. So let's say I want to make an investment of BNB. I just need to select BNB. I'll click on BNB here. I already selected BNB. So this is the current price of BNB. I'll be going over to the next step. I need to decide whether to buy or sell. This is the current price, and this is the earning APY on the 15th of July. So I either sell BNB or buy BNB. I can also edit the amount. I just need to click on this edit. When I click on edit, I either select the price I want to sell at. So let's say I want to sell at this particular price. I want to sell at $235. I just need to click on this confirm. After I've clicked on what I'll be doing, I just need to click on this next. So you need to start this quiz. I'll just be clicking on this start quiz. You just need to answer these 6 questions here. I'll just be doing that right now. After you've completed the quiz, you just need to go ahead to click on this done. So I've already passed the quiz. I just need to go back to this. I'll be clicking on this next button right now. For me to start the investment, the minimum amount to invest in the BNB is 0.001 BNB. I can make 0.01 BNB investment, and I'm having this particular balance right now. I'll just be entering the amount I want to invest. So let's say I want to make an investment of this. Let me say I want to make an investment of the total amount. I just need to click on this next button. I'll be seeing the winning scenarios here. So if the price at settlement date is at or above $225, I'll be selling the BNB I invested at the particular price, and I'll be receiving this with interest. And also, if the price at settlement date is below $225, I'll be receiving the amount I invested with BNB interest. So I just need to go ahead to click on this button. I need to click on this button. I need to just click on this button, and after that I need to click on this next. This is the settlement date. I'll be settled on the 22nd of July. I'll just be clicking on this next. So when you click on this edit, we've seen different dates for the amount you want to sell at. So we have different dates here. If you want to sell at $240, this is the settlement date, and if you want to sell at this particular amount, this is the settlement date. So we have different settlement dates here. I just need to select, I need to click on this next. I'll click on I understand. Then I'll be clicking on this next button. I need to click on all these buttons. I'll click on subscribe. You'll be seeing this info. Once subscribe, you cannot cancel the subscription. So you need to review the information before you subscribe. I'll just be clicking on this confirm. I've successfully subscribed. So the following is my subscription plan. This is my target price, and the settlement date is this. So I just need to wait for 10 days for the settlement date to be made. I just need to click on this continue to auto compound. So when I click on continue to auto compound, I just need to click on this take the advanced plan. I just be clicking on this next step. I need to click on this all this story. Then I need to subscribe. I've successfully subscribed for the dual investment plan, and the auto compound I chose is the advanced plan. I can decide to view my wallet, and I can just decide to close this page. I'll just be closing this page. I need to wait for the settlement date for me to be able to claim my bonus, and after the 4 weeks has been completed, I can get about 8 BUSD voucher. The 8 BUSD voucher will be distributed to the first 10,000 people, so you have to be fast to join this event. And after the reward has been distributed, you just need to go back to your reward center. To get your reward center, I'll just be going back to the home. You have to click on this profile. You have to come over to your profile. When you come over to your profile, you'll be seeing this reward center. You just need to click on that. After the 8 BUSD reward has been distributed, you just be coming over here. You need to click on redeem. You'll be seeing redeem by this particular site. Immediately you click on redeem, the particular amount you redeem will be added to your sports wallet. So guys, thanks for watching this video.